Welcome to VitalGlow Life, where we believe in the power of nature to heal and enhance your life. Today, we're delving into the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, a holistic health science that originated in India over 3,000 years ago. This healing tradition holds the key to a multitude of health issues, and today we're focusing on one that's all too common: dandruff. Dandruff, those pesky white flakes that seem to have a mind of their own, can be a source of discomfort and embarrassment. It's not just about aesthetics. Dandruff can also cause itching and inflammation, impacting your overall scalp health. But fret not, Ayurveda offers a plethora of natural remedies to combat this issue. From herbs and spices to oils and dietary changes, Ayurveda provides a holistic approach to dandruff treatment. So, buckle up as we journey through the world of Ayurveda. In this video, we are going to explore some Ayurvedic remedies for dandruff. In Ayurveda, dandruff is seen as an imbalance of the body's doshas. Now, you might wonder, what are these doshas? Well, in the ancient Indian system of healthcare known as Ayurveda, doshas are the three fundamental elements that govern our physical and mental functions. These are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Vata represents the elements of air and space. It's responsible for movement and communication within the body. When Vata is imbalanced, it can cause dryness, leading to flaky, dandruff-prone skin. Next, we have Pitta. Pitta represents fire and water. It's responsible for metabolism and transformation in the body. Excessive Pitta can lead to overheating and inflammation, resulting in an oily scalp and, you guessed it, dandruff. Lastly, there's Kapha, representing water and earth. Kapha is responsible for structure and lubrication in the body. An overabundance of kapha can lead to excessive oil production and sluggish metabolism, creating an environment for dandruff to thrive. So, dandruff is not just a superficial issue, it's a sign that something deeper is going on within your body. It's about an imbalance in these doshas, leading to either an overly dry or oily scalp, creating the perfect conditions for dandruff. But here's the good news: Ayurveda doesn't just treat the symptoms, it aims to restore balance and harmony within your body, addressing the root cause of the problem. So, when it comes to dandruff, Ayurveda offers remedies to balance your doshas, nourish your scalp, and eliminate dandruff. We will discuss these remedies in detail in the next part of this video, but they involve simple yet powerful practices like dietary changes, herbal treatments, and lifestyle adjustments. These remedies are all natural, holistic, and designed to bring your body back into balance. Now, let's delve into some Ayurvedic remedies that can help restore this balance and eliminate dandruff. One of the most effective Ayurvedic remedies for dandruff involves the use of neem and fenugreek seeds. So how do we use these potent ingredients to combat our pesky dandruff? Let's start with neem leaves. First, you'll want to grind a handful of these leaves into a fine paste. Apply this paste to your scalp, letting it sit for about half an hour before washing it off with lukewarm water. Neem is known for its powerful anti-fungal properties, making it a natural adversary for dandruff. Next up, we have fenugreek seeds. Soak a couple of tablespoons of these seeds in water overnight. In the morning, grind them into a paste and apply it to your scalp. Leave it in for about 40 minutes before rinsing. Fenugreek is rich in protein and amino acids, promoting healthy hair and helping to eradicate dandruff. These remedies provide a natural, chemical-free approach to dandruff control, harnessing the power of Ayurveda. But that's not all. Ayurveda has more to offer. Ayurveda also recommends the use of amla and bringraj for treating dandruff. Let's start with amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. This superfood is brimming with vitamin C and antioxidants, which are key players in maintaining a healthy scalp. Amla works by strengthening the hair follicles, reducing dryness, and preventing the buildup of dandruff. To use amla for dandruff, you'll need to make a paste. Start by taking 2 tablespoons of amla powder and mix it with enough lukewarm water to form a smooth paste. Apply this paste to your scalp and hair and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this process once a week and you'll see a noticeable reduction in dandruff. Next up is bringraj, also known as the king of herbs in Ayurveda. It's highly esteemed for its medicinal properties, especially when it comes to hair health. Bringraj is a powerhouse of nutrients like iron, calcium, magnesium, and proteins that nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. To utilize bringraj's benefits, you can make a hair mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of bringraj powder with water to create a thick paste. Apply this paste to your scalp, focusing on the roots of your hair. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. For best results, use this mask once a week. Both amla and bringraj are gentle on the scalp, making them ideal for individuals with sensitive skin. These remedies not only help to remove dandruff, but also improve the overall health of your hair, making it stronger, shinier, and healthier. Remember, Ayurveda is all about balance. While these remedies can help combat dandruff, it's equally important to maintain a balanced diet and lifestyle for optimal hair health. With these remedies, you can say goodbye to dandruff and hello to healthy, vibrant hair. These Ayurvedic remedies are not just effective, but also natural and free from harmful chemicals. Let's recollect the wisdom we've gleaned today. We have learned about the Ayurvedic perspective on dandruff, and we've explored a range of remedies, from using neem and aloe vera to the benefits of coconut oil and fenugreek seeds. Remember, consistency is the key to success when it comes to these remedies. Like the slow yet steady pace of a turtle, the effects might not be immediate, but with patience and persistence, you'll notice a significant improvement. It's about nurturing your scalp, not shocking it with harsh chemicals. And of course, if you're looking for a more convenient solution, we'd suggest our pure Ayurvedic anti-dandruff shampoo. It's the essence of these remedies, bottled for your convenience. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to VitalGlow Life. For those interested in purchasing pure Ayurvedic anti-dandruff shampoo, check the link in the video description box. Stay tuned for more such amazing videos.